Hi guys, hands-on images of the future foldable Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 with its 2 batteries have leaked. Online leaks have revealed first-hand images of the 2 batteries that power the Galaxy Z Flip 4. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 will appear quite similar to the Galaxy Z Flip 3, but it will have a battery that is on par with the Galaxy S22. So, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will have 400 mAh greater battery capacity than the Galaxy Z Flip 3 has. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comment section what you are looking out for in this new flagship, and if you haven't subscribed already then hit subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing in the future. More information about the Galaxy Z Flip 4 has surfaced online more than 2 months before the planned release of the gadget. On the one hand, a prototype unit, shown below in a number of hands-on photos, has been made public by TechTalk TV. Even while it's unknown what level of development the prototype is in, it is at least a working device that has Samsung's customary confidentiality sticker. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 prototype follows the same design as the previous Galaxy Z Flip 3, as was to be expected. Because of this, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 has 3 cameras, a tiny cover display, and a chassis that does not fold completely flat. In general, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is an improvement above the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which Motorola is said to have stolen ideas for the Razr 3 from. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 appears to have a slimmer display hinge than its predecessor, as well as a larger cover display that measures 2.1 inches, according to reports. The now private video implies that Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 4 has lessened the visibility of the display wrinkle. However, before making any conclusions on that one, we advise waiting for the results of independent reviews of retail units. The 2 batteries that will power the Galaxy Z Flip 4 have, however, been seen up close by Sam Mobile. The larger of the 2 batteries, which is depicted below, is rated at 2,555 mAh, and Samsung has paired it with a secondary battery with a capacity of 1,040 mAh. Although their combined usual capacities total 3,700 mAh, Samsung will market their combined rated capacities of 3,595 mAh. In other words, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will have a similar normal battery capacity to the Galaxy S22, albeit having 2 displays. Nevertheless, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 powering the Galaxy Z Flip 4 should have a higher power efficiency than either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or the Exynos 2200 in the Galaxy S22 do. On August 26 at a special Galaxy Unpacked event, Samsung is anticipated to introduce the Galaxy Z Flip 4 along with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Watch 5 series. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.